It's Advait Krishna, and I'm going to speak about the topic from Salman Khan hit and run case to Sanjay Dutt possession of illegal ammunition case. History has unfortunately proven that wealth and fame allow celebrities to get over much lighter than other people. So, however, I will convince each and everyone that celebrities do get away easily than the normal ones. I'm done.
You are not audible.
I think there's some network connection from your side, Ashwar. I think he was audible to me. Was he audible to everyone? Like someone can drop it in the chat box. Was he audible? Like,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Uh, okay, nonetheless, Ashwarya, you can go with your opening statement because it's only the clearing of the stands. So you can start with your opening statement. Rohan, you can time it up. Ashwarya?
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm against the topic that criminals get away with crime easily. So it is a really famous saying that crime never pays. It doesn't matter you are a celebrity or not a celebrity. You have to face the consequences, charges, or the sentence if you have done a crime. So if you have done bad to somebody, then you have to face the outcomes of your deed. So I would like to end my opening statement here.
Advait, you can start with your content
A minute,
for the
please.
motion.
A minute, 1 minute. Yeah. the crim- the celebrities definitely get away easily because first of all they can easily build out. These celebrities are rich people with more money than empathy, and hence they get bailed out very easily. Secondly, they don't have a fear of image standing. Image standing. Celebrities are hardly offensive of the image getting being tanned under their deeds, which they expose in public. Normal people, when they get out of the bail, they usually don't get jobs anywhere. However, celebrities do get because they have got money, and they also get into a limelight, which is quite easy for them to get more famous. And everybody knows that the money talks. Most of the time when the celebrity is involved in these cases, the matter gets settled out outside the court. Settling money reaches out the victim, and the case is withdrawn, saying that the victim wants the money. Victim, they just don't learn. We know the shocking case of Lindsay Lohan. She continued the many crimes. She was sent to jail, then again she came back and did another crime. It was one of the classic example how celebrities don't learn anything. They also get a better defense. Celebrities get exceptionally better advocates rather than the normal government advocates which just run for money and this all things. The, there is also a country that prides itself as a transparent judiciary called the United States of America. But as things stands, it gives proof that the bigger
Advait, your
celebrities
network is
often get
not,
away.
your voice is not clear. It's cracking a lot.
It's just I already said there's some network issues here. I might face some network issues. Is it audible now?
Yeah, yeah, it's clear now.
I guess where did I? May I start again from the beginning?
Yeah, you started. The timer was on the pause. When you start, it begins.
Okay then. So yeah, there's a there's a country known as the United States of America. They say that there's a transparent judicature there, but it has proved over the years that big titles have often gotten away. The O.J. Simpson and Lindsay Lohan is just an example. There's also a case of Oscar Pistorius, the famous South African sprinter who got easy after getting her girlfriend murdered. These all are the classic examples how celebrities get over the crimes easily. Thank you.
That will be it. Aishwarya, you're ready with your piece?
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
You
Okay,
can start.
okay. So I would like to start with saying that I have so much faith on our justice system. The justice system of India is really powerful, and no money, power, or influence can save a rapist, murderer, or molester to face the consequences. A person's life is not a joke in someone's eyes if he is a celebrity. He does not get a right or license to do whatever crime and be set free and proven innocent and live a peaceful life after that. If you're a celebrity, then so many people's eyes are on you. So you have to think before doing anything wrong. And from my experience, public outrage works. Like we are seeing in the case of Ria Chakraborty, she is facing so much hatred, outrage from the public, and I think she will face the consequences if she has done anything wrong with Sushant Singh Rajput. And you cannot put a cover on what you have done through your financial status or social status. You cannot buy the law and the justice system because our justice system is so powerful that no one can buy it. And as others say that people who are celebrity can get job, I think you don't have tracked the case of Shiny Ahuja, and I don't think I have seen him in any film after the rape charges. So it is not true that you will get a job or if you are a celebrity. It is public outrage is the real thing. You cannot get away with those crimes you have done. And India has high courts and supreme courts. Someone has not, if someone does not get justice, he can go to them and seek justice because there are so many opportunities if you want justice, and anyone cannot get away with crimes, even if he is a celebrity or he is not a celebrity. So I would like to end up here. Thank you.
Okay. So, Advait and Aishwarya, we having respectively two questions for you. First, I would like to go for Advait.
Yeah,
Advait, since you mentioned a lot of celebrities about the like crimes which they have committed and they got accused for it, right?
yeah, yeah.
But don't you think that it's the only the face of the celebrity which gets so highlighted? Like it's already clear that they haven't committed a crime, but since there are so many aspects of it, like they have money, they have blind power, although they haven't committed it. Like I will give you the example of Kevin Spacey. You must have heard the name of Kevin Spacey. He came from House of Cards, it's a very famous TV show, and because of it, it was entirely stopped. So don't you think that although they haven't committed any mistake, they suffer from the outrage, basically, since they are celebrities?
There are network issues. There are network issues. Please repeat. I
You
can't hear
cannot hear
anything.
me?
Yeah, yeah. Please repeat. I can't hear anything.
I just said that since in your speech you mentioned about many
Yeah, yeah,
celebrities committing different
yeah,
types
yeah,
of crimes, right?
yeah, yeah.
So, do you think that being a celebrity is an actual curse in this society? Like, there are many celebrities who have been convicted for doing things, but they haven't actually done it. But since they are celebrities, they have to suffer from that they have money, they have brute power. Like Kevin Spacey came from House of Cards. He was actually convicted, like for doing things for the Me Too accusations, but actually in the end, it was considered that he was not guilty. Because of it, a greater part of his career was lost and he was demeaned. So don't you think that being a celebrity and facing public outrage is the real problem, although you're not convicted?
First of all, not getting convicted is happening with the normal people also. Everybody has seen the movie The Shawshank Redemption, right? He didn't committed murder of a wife, then also he was sent to jail. Similar happens with everybody. It's not about the celebrities. And the
No,
first thing I want to say,
actually,
there
Advait,
also.
yeah,
Hello, hello. Am I audible?
yeah.
Hello.
You did not get my question properly. Hello, yeah, you're audible. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I am mentioning the point just because the WhatsApp Court of Justice and the Facebook Court, Supreme Court has made that Riya Chakraborty is actually responsible for something, although the court hasn't proved any contempt. So don't you think that only being a celebrity is the real problem here, not the conviction actually? Guys actually hate people for
yeah,
being
yeah.
celebrity and as compared to the crime they have committed. Don't you
The
think
same thing
that is the
happened.
public outrage?
I guess the same thing happened with the normal people also because in my neighborhood I saw a guy who didn't actually murder his wife, but the people of the society were saying that he actually murdered and he was also sent to jail. But later he was proved innocent and sent back to home. But it's not about celebrities, it's about everybody else. Everybody faces things. As I said the classical example of the Shawshank Redemption movie. Same thing happened there.
But that's a movie, right?
Yeah,
Andy
that's a
Dufresne had
movie,
it
but
murdered, right? Andy Dufresne had it murdered. I'm giving you a live example of Kevin Spacey. Kevin Spacey
yeah,
was accused for Me Too and he was removed from House of Cards. He had to suffer because his role was gone from him. He was almost declared a bankrupt and various things happened with him just because he was a celebrity and he was facing an accusation. Don't you think the actual trouble is with the inherited law system and the people throwing outrages?
see, there's a famous line among lawyers is law is ideal. just law is not justice. Justice is ideal, law is not justice. So law cannot be equal for everybody. Law is just a tool to get to the justice. That's in saying among the lawyers. I just want to say that
Okay.
justice is an ideal thing.
Okay.
If you
Aishwarya,
if anybody
Yeah.
lawyers in your family, you can ask him or her. It's a famous quote
no, no,
among the
it's
lawyers.
fine. There are many practical approaches in this world, of course. They can't be attained. That's right. Okay. So, Aishwarya, am I audible to you?
Yeah, you're audible.
So, my question to you will go in two parts. First of all, as you said that if you're a celebrity, you just can't get easily away with crimes because, as we say, justice is same for everyone, right? But
Yeah, yeah.
the greater part of justice goes in how the courtroom trials are going on. As you pretty clearly know, that celebrities or people of renowned personalities, they hire good advocates, good lawyers, plus they have better points in their favors. Even if they don't have those points in their favor, they contemplate the points in that way. And basically, as we know, whatever is seen, that is what is being sold, even in courtrooms, the dynamic personality of those lawyers. So, don't you think that people who actually are not able to afford such lawyers, they actually lag on the ground and they are proved guilty?
I think that lawyers or advocates are important, but they are not so important than truth. I think your truth cannot be covered by anything, and if you are celebrity also, then you will be facing consequences and you will be sentenced because you cannot just silence the eyewitnesses and the proofs.
Okay. Yeah, Rohan, you want to ask some questions?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, as for you are talking about celebrities out here, right? Okay,
Yeah.
I'm telling you a very good example of this entire money thing working out. All right. So in my garden, I have a tea garden. So in my garden, we hadn't paid the provident fund of the workers for around, I guess, 1 year or so. So there was some problems regarding that, and we got away with the entire thing. We didn't pay a dime. We just bribed the entire this lawyers. Please don't record this meeting. My father will be killing me. All right. So we just bribed the lawyers of the other side, and the judge used to just said one day after another that come again at this date, come again as this date. So the entire thing got tossed out at the end. And after that, there were two murders which happened in our garden itself. One of our security guards killed two people. So after so after that, you know how much money it took? It took 15,000 per person, and everyone got away with the entire thing. So you are telling about celebrities, they have lot more money than we do, right? So if we can get away with this many things just by this much of money, think of 15,000. That's something like a drop in a bucket for someone. So if we can get away with that, just think about how much Salman Khan or Shahrukh Khan or Kevin Spacey may have got away with. So okay, okay, you can reply.
Okay.
Man, Kevin Spacey was not guilty. He's one of my favorites.
Yeah, his House of Cards performance was really good.
But he was just accused and it took the role. They literally stopped the series just because he was
Yeah,
accused.
they just stopped the entire series because it was just an accusation, and they just stopped it.
Yeah.
That's how much the celebrities get scrutinized these days.
Yeah.
Okay, as far as you have a reply to what I
Yeah,
had
yeah.
said.
Yeah, I want to give a reply. So Rohan, I just said that I think they would have seek justice from local courts. I think they could go now to high courts and then supreme courts. So one day you will face the sentence. Whoever has done that. So that's my reply.
Do you think, Ashwarya, that's truth at a cost?
What?
Like, truth at a cost. Of course, Nirbhaya got the justice, right? It took
Yeah,
6 years, nearly 6 years. Was it really necessary?
I know that's but at the end he got justice. I know the wait of 6 years was not
Yeah.
acceptable,
Yeah,
but
justice must prevail.
also but also the races are not celebrities.
Yeah, I get you.
It happens
Shakespeare
in
said
cases of normal
justice.
people also.
Yeah. Hey, I want to add that ravers are quite poor people. Do you think they will have money to go at least go to Delhi and then file a there in the Supreme Court? They will have the money. I don't think so.
And you repeat,
I would. Okay, okay, guys. I think we are getting too many rebuttal questions. We need to move on with the sessions. You can continue it in the personal if you wish to. It was a very nice debate. Both the parties had some great points to prove. So we'll move on.